Living with diabetes is like walking a tightrope. Every step counts, and a single misstep could tip the balance. With over 537 million adults affected worldwide, diabetes isn't just about blood sugar levels. It's a condition that silently impacts your heart, kidneys, vision, and more. But here's the shocking part. Some everyday foods are secretly worsening the condition for millions, and you could be eating them too. Stay tuned as we uncover the 6 worst offenders and what you should eat instead. Stick around till the end for life-saving tips you won't want to miss. Number 1. White bread. White bread is a household staple, but for those managing diabetes, it's a silent saboteur. Why? White bread ranks high on the glycemic index, GI, meaning it breaks down into glucose rapidly, causing sharp blood sugar spikes. Unlike whole grain options, white bread is stripped of its fiber during processing, leaving behind simple carbs that digest too quickly. When you eat white bread, your pancreas works overtime, releasing a surge of insulin to control the glucose spike. Over time, this constant cycle contributes to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to regulate sugar. What's worse, high GI foods like white bread can trigger chronic inflammation, a key factor in worsening diabetes and heart health. Number 2. Sugary beverages. Sugary drinks might seem innocent, but they're among the worst culprits for diabetics. Whether it's soda, sweetened coffee, or energy drinks, these beverages are loaded with refined sugars that cause instant blood sugar spikes. The science? Refined sugars in these drinks are absorbed rapidly, forcing your pancreas to release insulin in overdrive. Over time, this contributes to insulin resistance, where your body struggles to regulate sugar. Plus, high fructose corn syrup, a common sweetener, promotes fat storage in the liver, worsening insulin sensitivity and increasing the risk of fatty liver disease. Number 3. White rice. White rice may feel like comfort food, but for diabetics, it's anything but. Like white bread, white rice is stripped of fiber and essential nutrients, making it a high GI food that causes rapid sugar spikes. When consumed regularly, white rice overloads your system with glucose, leading to insulin resistance over time. Studies show that high consumption of white rice is linked to a greater risk of type 2 diabetes. It also contributes to weight gain, especially around the abdomen, which further worsens diabetes management. Number 4. Processed snacks. Chips, crackers, and other processed snacks are not just tempting, they're trouble. These snacks are loaded with refined carbs, unhealthy trans fats, and additives that disrupt blood sugar stability. Refined carbs digest quickly, leading to sudden glucose spikes. At the same time, trans fats promote inflammation, impair insulin sensitivity, and increase the risk of heart complications, a serious concern for diabetics. Plus, processed snacks are calorie-dense but nutrient-poor, contributing to weight gain and making blood sugar control even harder. Number 5. Sweetened breakfast cereals. They may promise a quick start to your day, but sweetened cereals are loaded with sugar and refined grains. These cereals can send your blood sugar soaring before your day even begins, leaving you feeling tired and hungry soon after. The lack of fiber in these cereals means they digest rapidly, causing blood sugar highs and lows. Over time, these fluctuations can lead to insulin resistance and weight gain, worsening diabetes symptoms. Number 6. Flavored yogurts. Yogurt is often marketed as a healthy snack, but flavor varieties are a hidden sugar trap. Some brands pack as much sugar as a candy bar, making them a poor choice for diabetics. These added sugars lead to blood sugar spikes and offer little nutritional value compared to plain yogurt. Flavored yogurts also lack the protein and healthy fats needed to keep you satisfied, making it easier to overeat or snack on unhealthy foods later. Managing diabetes doesn't have to feel overwhelming. By swapping out these 6 common foods for healthier options, you can take control of your blood sugar and protect your health long-term. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay empowered.